In this video today we will talk about zodiac signs. Okay, let's assume you must have heard about signs, zodiac signs and all. It's good for you to know about zodiac signs, because this might be your very first question on a date night. What's your sign? Like seriously. Okay, first thing first. We need to know what a zodiac sign is. The term zodiac derives from the Latin word zodiacus, which in its turn comes from the Greek word, zodiakos kuklos, meaning, circle of animals. It is a belief in astrology that a person's personality can be predicted using their sign of the zodiac. In Western astrology, astrological signs are the 12 30-degree sectors that make up Earth's 360-degree orbit around the Sun. The signs enumerate from the first day of spring, known as the first point of Aries. Let's do a little illustration to better understand. It takes 365 days, a year, for the Earth to orbit around the Sun, which is a full circle. A full circle is 360 degrees. So let's divide 360 degrees by 12. We use 12 to divide as 12 months make a year. 360 degrees divided by 12. The answer is 30 degrees. So we have 30 degrees for each of the 12 portions. So we can say the Earth makes a movement of 30 degrees 12 times, to go around the Sun. For each of these 30-degree movements, there is a sign. So your sign depends on the time you were born. Now let's get to know the signs. The 12 zodiac signs are Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. Now let's talk about these signs. Aries is the first astrological sign in the zodiac, spanning the first 30 degrees of celestial longitude, and originates from the Aries constellation. Under the tropical zodiac, the Sun transits this sign from approximately March 20th to April 21st each year. Individuals born during these dates are called Aries. This sign is represented by a ram, and its symbol is the horn of a ram, which reveals that Aries aspire to approach life head-on. Taurus is the second astrological sign in the modern zodiac. It spans from 30 degrees to 60 degrees of the zodiac. This sign belongs to the earth element or triplicity, and has a feminine or negative polarity. The Sun transits this sign from approximately April 21st until May 20th in Western astrology. The bull is the animal that represents Taurus. The symbol for Taurus is a bull's head with large curvy horns. People born during this period are called Taurus. Gemini is the third astrological sign in the zodiac. Under the tropical zodiac, the Sun transits this sign between about May 21st to June 21st. The twins represent Gemini and its symbol is two lines joined together. This symbol stands for duality and neutrality. People born during this time are called Geminis. Cancer is the fourth astrological sign in the zodiac, originating from the constellation of Cancer. It spans from 90 degrees to 120 degrees celestial longitude. Under the tropical zodiac, the Sun transits this area between approximately June 22nd and July 22nd. Though some depictions of Cancer feature a lobster or crayfish, the sign is most often represented by the crab, based on the Carcinos. Cancer's opposite sign is Capricorn. People born during this time are called Cancerans. Leo is the fifth sign of the zodiac. The traditional Western zodiac associates Leo with the period between July 23rd and August 22nd, and the sign spans the 120th to 150th degrees of celestial longitude. The animal that represents this sign is the lion. Its symbol is the head, mane, and tail of the lion. The circle symbolizes the bright and shine in sun, and the arc swirling out from the circle represents Leo's highly influential presence. People born during this period are called Leos. Virgo is the sixth astrological sign in the zodiac. It spans the 150 to 180th degree of the zodiac. Under the tropical zodiac, the Sun transits this area, on average, between August 23rd and September 22nd. Individuals born during these dates are called Virgos or Virgoans. Virgo is one of the three earth signs, along with Capricorn and Taurus. The Virgin represents this sign and its symbol is an M with an inward twist, which symbolizes introspection and modesty. Libra is the seventh astrological sign in the zodiac. It spans 180 to 210 degrees celestial longitude. The Sun transits this sign on average between September 23rd and October 23rd. The symbol of the scales is based on the scales of justice held by Themis, the Greek personification of divine law and custom. Libra is the only zodiac sign that is represented by an object, with the other 11 signs represented by either an animal or mythological character. People born during this period are called Libras. Scorpio is the 8th astrological sign in the zodiac, originating from the constellation of Scorpius. It spans 210 degrees to 240 degrees ecliptic longitude. Under the tropical zodiac, the Sun transits this sign on average from October 23 to November 22. Someone born under the influence of Scorpio may be called a Scorpio or a Scorpion. The scorpion represents this sign. Sagittarius. Sagittarius is the 9th astrological sign, which is associated with the constellation Sagittarius and spans 240 to 270 degrees of the zodiac. Under the tropical zodiac, the Sun transits this sign between approximately November 22 and December 21. Sagittarius, the half-human and half-horse, is the centaur of mythology, the learned healer whose higher intelligence forms a bridge between earth and heaven. Also known as the Archer. Sagittarius is represented by the symbol of a bow and arrow. People born during this period are called Sagittarius or Sagittarian. Capricorn is the 10th astrological sign in the zodiac out of 12 total zodiac signs, originating from the constellation of Capricornus, the horned goat. It spans the 270 to 300th degree of the zodiac, corresponding to celestial longitude. Under the tropical zodiac, the Sun transits this area from about December 21 to January 21 the following year. There appears to be a connection between traditional characterizations of Capricorn as a sea-goat and the Sumerian god of wisdom and water, who also had the head and upper body of a goat and the lower body and tail of a fish. People born during this period are called Capricorn. Aquarius is the 11th astrological sign in the zodiac, originating from the constellation Aquarius. Under the tropical zodiac, the Sun is in the Aquarius sign between January 20 and about February 18. The water carrier represents this zodiac sign. The symbol for this sign is the squiggly lines of the Aquarius symbol, which are said to represent water. People born during this period are called Aquarius. Pisces is the 12th and final astrological sign in the zodiac. It spans 330 degrees to 360 degrees celestial longitude. Under the tropical zodiac, the Sun transits this area between February 19 and March 20. In classical interpretations, the symbol is two fish tied together by a rope swimming in opposite directions. People born during this period are called Pisces. These are the 12 zodiac signs. In the next video we will talk about the traits and personalities of each signs. Thank you for coming this far with me in this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Turn on notification bell so you will be amongst the first people to get notified whenever we upload a new video. If you have already done so, thank you very much.